These Canadians, man. These Canadians are putting us to shame.
And then you got to pay them in American money?
That makes sense. Exactly.
First of all, it's worth more, so it's a bigger win.
Oh, okay, right.
Do we take the exchange?
Woo. All right, guys, we are back with another episode of Street Smart. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty. And we are here today on the world-famous Santa Monica Pier in Santa Monica, Southern California. I'm going to walk up and down the pier, asking the fine folks out here a few health-related questions. Let's see if we got a few winners and hand out some cash today. What is your name? Where are you from?
Jarrett. I'm from Buffalo, New York.
My name's Slade. I'm from Virginia.
Slade.
Yep.
From Virginia. It's a badass name.
My name is Sharif. I'm from Pennsylvania.
I'm Anna, and I'm from Canada, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan.
Hi, my name is Amanda. I am from Western Maryland, but I live in Arlington, Virginia.
And the Canadians have fared very well on this show, so
I don't know if I'll be able to live up to my fellow Canadians' efforts, but I promise to do my best.
you guys feeling confident? You feeling smart?
Yeah,
good.
let's do it.
When an artery in your brain is blocked, it causes what?
An aneurysm. Was it multiple choice?
Is it A, a stroke, B, a concussion, or C, Alzheimer's disease?
Stroke.
We'll go with stroke.
Yeah, stroke.
When an artery in your brain is blocked, it causes what? Is it? Say that one more time.
A stroke.
Couldn't even get the answers out.
I don't need your answers.
Thank God I brought Anna.
Stroke is correct. That is correct. We're going to turn it up a little bit. What medical test is used to find heart disease? Is it A, a CT scan, B, a mammogram, or C, an angiogram?
Angiogram.
We're gonna go with angiogram.
I'm gonna go with B, mammogram.
Or C, angiogram?
Angiogram.
Oh, C! Count it! 2 for 2.
I'm going to go grab a beer. I think she's got...
2 for 2. It is angiogram. For an angiogram, they inject a dye into your major arteries so they'll contrast with their environment on an X-ray.
Interesting.
And they actually do these live during heart surgery.
Oh, shit.
Fun fact.
Sounds scary.
Yeah.
That sounds scary.
That never happens to me.
Mammogram is actually for the breasts. You know, your angiogram knowledge is respectable. I'm
Thank
impressed.
you. Appreciate it.
Here comes the crippler.
Crippler.
The one that nobody knows the answer to.
Final with this for all the marbles. You guys are 2 for 2. Okay. Calories are a unit of measurement. What do they measure?
I think this is a trick question, yeah.
Is it A, weight, B, energy, or C, friction?
See, when I think of calories, I think of fat, but I think it's gonna be B, energy.
I think it's energy.
Energy.
If I get this wrong, my nutrition teacher would be, oh my God,
All right,
that would
we're
kill me.
gonna go energy. We took
Energy?
nutrition, so.
Ding.
Bam, 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 bam.
Bro, you are the 5th all-time winner on this show.
Yes.
Lock it in and open the bank because you guys won 3 for 3. Ding, ding, ding. You did it. These Canadians, man. These Canadians are putting us to shame.
And then you got to pay them in American money?
That
makes sense.
Exactly.
First of all, it's worth more, so it's a bigger win.
Oh, okay, right.
Do we take the exchange?
Woo.
Boom.
Thank you.
Boom.
Thank you.
You know, treat yourselves to a nice date because you won the cash prize, all right? You kidding me?
What's good, everybody? My name is Sharif. I just did the Street Smart Challenge, and thank you, Dherbs.
I'm Slade,
And I'm Amanda.
and we just won.
The Street Smart Challenge.
I'm Jarrett,
And I'm Anna.
and Anna just won $20 in the Street Smart Challenge. Thank you, Dherbs.
All right, guys, that does it for another episode of Street Smart. It was a good day for Santa Monica. We had a few more winners today. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment letting us know how many you got right, any health questions that you've got. Appreciate you guys watching, and tune in again next week for another episode of Street Smart.